No, I didn't give up. It is just not going as I planned. But there's a way out. Ladies and gentlemen, for the past few days, I've been making series of videos regarding a challenge, a 120 days challenge. I've taken upon myself to become a profitable forex trader within that stipulated time. But all of a sudden, you've not been seeing videos from me, and some people have been asking me across my social media platform that what's going on, why haven't they been seeing videos again and stuff like that. Others ask if I've given up. Ladies and gentlemen, to address this, I have not given up, but it is just not going as I planned. So for the past few days, I've been so busy. I've been traveling here, up here and there. So even at the moment I'm making this video, I'm not settled. I'm still on a move. So hopefully I get settled very soon. Like for the next 3 to 4 days, I should be settled and be back to the chart to start doing or to continue doing what I've been doing, so that we'll see how the end results will be within the 120 days. All these periods that I'm using for this traveling and stuff that is taking time from me, yes, I'm just going to put them inside the 120 days, even though I have not done anything significantly on these days that I've been using to travel, do stuff up here and there. I'm going to include them in the 120 days. So that simply means I have tons of work to do. I have tons of work to do. But let's see how everything is going to go. My name is Godsway, and you're welcome to follow me on this journey by subscribing to this YouTube channel. And I'll see you in the next video.